Hey guys, ShivHax here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be testing out this rechargeable LED bike light. Now this bike light has an intelligent feature, so we're going to be checking out what is intelligent in it. So let's start unboxing, but before that, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So let's get right into it. Whoa, so this is our bike light. So this is our front headlight, and this is the power button, and plus over here it has an option of touchless as well, like fingerprint. And these are the battery gauges and light tuning, and on the back there is the charging port because this is a rechargeable one. Wow, so this is quite intelligent. This, on the other hand, is our brake light, and this is actually, there's the button, so you just press that button to turn it on, and you just strap it around your bike back handlebar. And this is our installment key factor right over here, so you just need to put it on the bike rod. They have also included the charging cable, but this is a micro USB charger. And over here we have a booklet. So all on the front it is written in Chinese, but on the back side it is written in English. So you might want to take a quick glance at it to know how to install it and other specifications about this. So now I'm going to show you guys how to install it on my bike. So here I have my bike right over here, and now I'm going to install this clamp over here so that we can install the light. So first you need to wrap around to the handlebar, and then you take this bolt and then you need to clamp it inside to the other hand. Screw the bolt, but not that much tight because you want to move it down. And when this hinge is up, tighten it. Now we have our light. Now we need to slide it through the hinge, and then now I'm going to show you the light. So long press it, takes a few seconds, and then there we can see the bright light. And over here we have a touch screen panel, so you need to press it gently so that you can dim the light and then make it bright as well. Here I have a second look, so it made it bright. Now touch it the second time to make it dim, and then third time to make it bright. And if you press this, it will make it a little bit more bright. And this is the auto mode, so this is why it is intelligent. And then the low mode. So this light is rechargeable. So now I'm going to show you the charging. So first you need to press this button, and then you need to slide it out, and then on the back side you see the orange tab. Pull it out, and then you need to put a micro USB charging cable in it, and you can see the light charging on the gauge. So that is a good thing that they have done with the rechargeable thing, because other lights have batteries, so no worries about batteries. And this right over here is our little backlight light, and if we unscrew it, it comes already with batteries, so no need to put in the button cells. And to turn it on, you just need to press the light, and it has three modes: the super fast flashing and the slow flashing. So now let's install it on my bike. So beneath the seat there's the rod, so you need to wrap it around the rod and make sure it's tight so that it does not like move that much easily, and it's securely. Now if we test the light, wow, it looks super bright. the flashing mode as well. Here is the front view, super flash fast mode, and the slow flash mode. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya!